morning. Yeah, and the pot's been up for, wow, actually just two days. Don't know, the spot's been producing though, so let's see how they go. Really a few in here this time. That was hard work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some of them look small as well, so to see. Here we go. So that's a bit better. There we get our bag in there. Here we go. And we got some nice big ones in there too. That's a good size one. Beauty. Shall I count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 or 12 maybe. Obviously I'll just grab a few big ones and we'll be all done. Right, so if you like what I'm doing, leave a comment, tell me what you want to see more of. I sort of suspect that people just get bored of watching me pull pots and get crayfish out, but I don't know, maybe that's what they like seeing. So yeah, like, subscribe.
those good things. Cheers guys, see ya.